Hello students! Today we're going to make our own singing sands of the Gobi Desert, or rather, we are going to make a musical instrument based on the same principles that allows the sands of one of the most largest and most beautiful deserts in the world to sing. So, what you're going to need for this is a bottle or some bottles and some water. The water is not strictly necessary. So, as you see in the diagram, you take your bottle and you just gently blow across the top. You might need to experiment with this a little bit to see what angle is best. Now, this is what we're going to do. I have 3 glass bottles. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to take one and blow it into the microphone. Unfortunately, because of the way the microphone is positioned, you won't be able to see it. But again, look at the diagram. This is the smallest bottle. Now, did you hear that? It took me 2 or 3 times to find the right angle to get the actual music out of the bottle. Now we're going to do the medium-sized bottle. As I find the right angle to blow on, it becomes easier to find the musical note. Now we're going to do our largest bottle. That's a fairly high-pitched note. Now, in order to change, as we blow, the air travels over and causes the bottle to vibrate. Now, we're going to change the note by adding a little bit of water. I'm going to fill the bottle up halfway so you can hear the change in the note in the largest bottle. So, here is the note, the new note of the bottle half filled with water. Actually, filling this bottle halfway up with water makes it a lot harder to find the musical notes, as you could hear. Now, we're going to try it with the bottle, the medium bottle. We're going to fill it halfway up. Now, be sure to do this in the kitchen or the bathroom because you will be spilling some water. Now, let's listen. You can hear that there's a distinct change in the tone of the bottle. I'm going to empty some of this out so the bottle is only a quarter full. Alright, now, adding water changes the tone. So, I'm going to take, now we're just going to do a size comparison. Small bottle, large bottle. Large bottle. The large bottle has a lower note. Alright, and again, you can use large bottles or small bottles or medium-sized bottles. Generally speaking, it's easier to find the musical note in bottles with smaller mouths. You can use plastic bottles or bottles. You can use bottles with some water in them or bottles with no water in them. Experiment. Try and find out which bottles work best. And until you try, have fun.